will only avoid any confrontation with the enemy. He'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All to oppose, all to oppose.
What is going on YouTube? It's E-Money up in the building. Shout out to the homie Stooch Customs. Use your noodles up in this piece. I got an unboxing for you guys. My first, I think my first actual video I'm gonna do editing and all of that stuff for the new year. Also shout out to the fam, the home team, 313 Retro Queen. Go support sis, she on the way to 700. The bros, PM Kicks, the Fly KOF on the way to 5K. And my merch is coming out pretty soon. Emoneyshoes. I'm working on a lot of stuff, projects going on, getting ready for Who Has the Heat Season 4. So you guys think you got some heat, hit up that Who Has the Heat page and throw your name in the hat. This time around, we're gonna do it real big. $200 cash is the first place. So yeah, we put a monetary value, but it's most of the basic thing is it's all done in fun. Now, I know, let's get this all out the way. I know I'm gonna hear it because I said a lot of people follow me on IG. I said I wasn't gonna get this shoe, and now I have this shoe. But I'm anxious to see what it looks like because I haven't actually officially seen the box. So, without further ado, let's get into it. They got me this time though, because Jordan brand, take that out like that. They left it at my door. They could have said, hey, A-hole, your box is here or something. They just left it at the front porch. Now I'm a little bit salty about that, so I'm running my mouth. Let's see if we can do a little bit longer on this video. I hit on this sharp drop. So definitely don't know what I'm gonna do. So y'all already, everybody been complaining about that just do it. So it is what it is. Is what it is. Let's check it out. Receipt on deck. Nike receipt. And you got these Unity things with this box. It's not the best looking box. It got a crease, but there it is. Check it out. Look at that. Nice presentation, Jordan brand. The red hits, black hits with the red. Red is my favorite color. Shout out to all the Kappas. I'm supposed to be the Kappa, but I didn't go to college for that. I was just a regular Kappa League, so that's why I like the regular. I like red. It's my favorite color. So these are supposed to be dropping during the All-Star weekend, but like I said, I got these early. They got a lot of shock drops, different stuff on the shoe. These are Air Jordan 3 Retro SE special edition. Suggested retail price 200 of them things. I got what? They're gonna give me $20 back, so I got 10% off. So shout out to you, Nike. I love my country because you always get military discount on Nike.com. Fisher colorway, fire red, cement gray, size 10.5, QR code on these things. Look at that. Woo, doggy. You got your stamper-ramper in here. Make sure y'all can see. You see that stamper now? You see it? You see it? You see it? Make sure you see it. Alright. Then you got your paper right here. This is going to be my first time. You got Unity all on the paper. So this is going to be my first time actually seeing the shoe with my family. Brick by Brickers, the Money Squad. Woo! Alright, I gotta admit it. We had to agree to disagree. I give you credit, Skip. You was right. Ooh, let me take a look at these things. With that Nike ad on the booty, on that ass. Let me go look at the other one. Let me look at the other one. This freaking box. Okay, Jordan brand. Okay. But I still might sell these and wait for the exchange to get the pairs in, so I can get that steal and deal. Y'all, you know what I mean? You feel me? But got that tumble, rumble, rankle, stankle on these things. So y'all already know how I like to do the left shoe. Let's get into this review. Enough talking. As you know, on the bottom you got that Nike on the bottom with the red hits. On the red hits underneath the bottom. You know this is a Tinker Hatfield shoe. You also know you seen the white cements, right? Him jumping from the free throw line, all this. This wasn't the OG colorway. 3, 4, 5, 6. You know that is an air unit. And you also know on these, you gotta put your feet in them a little bit so this stuff will mesh. Cause you know 3s and 4s known for cracking on the midsole, right? You already know that. So on here, the toe box, you got your elephant print coming up here. Look at that, Can you see that tumble rumble or ankle stanker? Look at that. That basketball hits. You got on the eyelets there, you got those black eyelets. You got black laces. On the tongue, you got leather with that red jump man. Make sure he ain't got no butt crack, like so. You got you got extra laces in these joints. Y'all let me know, comment suggestion below. What do you think would be the best laces in these shoes? Coming around on the side, see that? More wrinkle stankle, elephant print, your air unit. Make sure you get that like that. Pow! Nike Air for all of you hype beasts. Right there. Coming around on the media side. More of that red, right? I mean, this is a pretty well, it look a lot better in person, I must say, than the pics on the shoe. And then you got your regular leather right here. I don't know what was up with that. They could have just kept it all wrinkle stinker. They kind of screwed it up there. Then coming inside, you got your shoe tree. I don't know about y'all, but you always gotta smell the shoe tree. Size 10 and 10 and a half, like so. You see that, like so. Nothing like a fresh smell of a shoe. I tell you, nothing like a fresh smell. Inside you got the QR code on the tongue as well. You see that? Red inside. Production date is 7/2/19, 9/20/19. So it took them roughly about 2 months for these joints. Very, very dope shoe in my opinion. Take a look at this one once over. Spin it around. What you guys think? On this one, my true to size is 10, but I went 10 and a half. I already know they're going like, E-Money, you didn't do the on feet. Nope, not yet. I'm not ready to do the on feet till I get my DSLR camera. Once I do it, then I would get to the on feet on y'all. Okay, so just bear with me. Don't beat me up. It's coming. Please believe me. Now, on the Litty Lit meter, I might be a little bit biased. I tell you. I'm gonna give these joints about a 4.85 out of 5. You guys let me know. Leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. This is a no-look pass for you? Is it a cop? Is it a reach back? You think they're going to the outlet or they're gonna go on sale? So you let me know what you think, and we can chop it up below. Couple of last shout out to the homie JJ all day. Go check out his playlist. He's trying to get the bag, so that's all he need to do, just get his playlist. Shout out to the sis Q the Queen. She almost on that 5K grind, just need a couple more, so go check her out. Smash that subscriber button so we can get those bars. And of course the other sis 313 on the road to on the road to 700. You feel me? So comment, like, subscribe, be on the lookout for that 5K drop vid on Monday so everybody can subscribe and get involved in the giveaway. I love y'all. Emoneyshoes, thanks for all the support, and I'm out.